Okay. Shikha Rai, respond to that. This is what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying, but this is what many people on Twitter are asking as well. At least, give me a second here. At least the Aam Aadmi Party is being seen to be making an effort. एक मिनट. At least the Aam Aadmi Party is being seen to be making an effort. आके कुछ नहीं तो 4 सवालों का जवाब तो दे देते हैं. Here, Mr. Bhupinder Yadav, India does have an environment minister. Mr. Bhupinder Yadav has been missing in action. उनके मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकला है. भाई जिम्मेदारी कुछ तो सेंटर की भी बनती है ना. It is India's national capital, ma'am.
जी मैं can I explain as to what center has done and what state was supposed to do? I'm really shocked to hear the arguments put forth by Mr. Siddharth as a responsible representative of the Aam Aadmi Party who got a majority vote in Delhi, and they were supposed to run the Delhi government for the people of Delhi. Let them give just one example of the measures taken by the Aam Aadmi Party government in the last 10 years to curb the pollution at source. They are saying that government didn't do this thing, NCR didn't do this thing. I said just one thing they should tell me. Of the things that they are talking about, 1700 buses, the green environment friendly buses were given by the center. The subsidy on which was given by the center, that is why they could fly in Delhi. Not a single bus bought by Delhi government, one. Secondly, the biggest source of pollution here is dust, vehicular traffic, as we all know. And the third one is the Parali, which is clearly seen these days right now. 28,000 kilometers of roads in Delhi which are lying full of dust, underdeveloped, which is a major source of pollution. Just let them explain as to what they have done about that.
Dust is today 3%.
Landslide.
Dust, Shikha ji, today is 3% of Delhi's pollution.
Myself, I am just asking, whatever 3%, then 40% is the Parali which is burnt in Punjab, as we all know. 10,000, almost. What should I say? How many hectares they are burning the Parali? 30,000 crores were given for Parali management, stubble burning management by the center. 1.5 lakh machine given to Punjab for all these
purposes. This is dangerous territory for BJP.
Which are not being used. Yes, let me also explain.
This is dangerous territory for BJP, Shikha ji.
So? You're asking me
this year, Madhya Pradesh is recording the highest number of farm fires. Punjab bhi piche nahi hai.
Okay.
But Madhya Pradesh is reporting the highest number of farm fires.
पीछे नहीं, पंजाब सबसे ज्यादा है. जो हमें अफेक्ट कर रहा है वो पंजाब है. और ये कहते थे जब पंजाब में सरकार से पहले कि हम इसको सबसे पहले करेंगे. Why couldn't they do it? They are responsible for that. 30 crores were given under air
भूपेंद्र यादव के सवाल पे भी जवाब दे दीजिए.
सिर्फ 10.77 करोड़. लेट मी जस्ट वही दे रही हूँ कि सेंटर को जो करना था वो कर रहे हैं. वेस्टर्न पेरिफेरी, ईस्टर्न पेरिफेरी, किस चीज के लिए? डीकंजेशन ऑफ द रोड्स इन दिल्ली. जो सेंटर कर सकता है, सेंटर हैज कंप्लीटली डन इट्स ड्यूटी, इट्स फुल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. 30 करोड़ रुपया दिया इनको एयर क्लीन करने के लिए. 10.77 करोड़ दिल्ली ने सिर्फ यूज किया. वाई सो? क्या एक नई बस ली? गार्बेज के लैंडस्केप जो ओपन में पड़े हैं बढ़ रहे हैं. ऑल गार्बेज लैंडस्केप्स हैव increased. Open में सारा कूड़ा पड़ा है. Who's responsible for that? These are sources of vehicular traffic के लिए कौन सा प्लान ट्रैफिक पुलिस के साथ ऐसा करके प्लान बनाया? Then जब ये बढ़ रहा था पूरी 2024 से अब तक, AQ has not gone under 50 even for a single day throughout the year. So how can we say that?
I feel the pain. Yesterday I had to spend 30,000 rupees to buy an air purifier in the middle of the night. I feel the pain, but I also feel doubly pained that this is India's national capital and the environment minister of this country is busy in Maharashtra and has no time for the people of India's national capital, which is choking to death. So the choke is really on us. But Siddharth Sharma, there have been some allegations made by the BJP against you. For example, Parali. वैसे तो Parali वाले figures जो आम आदमी पार्टी भी हमें देती है वो सही तो लगते नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, डे बिफोर yesterday we were told 1200 farm fires in the state of Punjab, right? This is government data, मेरा डेटा नहीं है. In one day it comes down to 200. Who will believe this data? Forget the fact that NASA scientists are questioning it or the BJP is questioning. Who will believe this Punjab data? एरोसॉल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम हो नहीं रहा है, आप हमें बता रहे हैं कि पंजाब में पराली कम हो रही है.
Yeah, I was just not interrupting the BJP spokesperson because you hinted at her that you are getting into dangerous territory. She was tying herself in knots, so I was just letting her tie herself in knots. When she says that 1,700 buses were given by the center, isn't it surprising why that center is not giving even one bus to nearby next door Ghaziabad or next door Faridabad or next door Gurgaon? Why is it even just giving it to Delhi? So the second point, when you say the Punjab farmers have become so intelligent to hoodwink NASA, I think then they should be heading the ISRO from now on, right? The data that is coming out is not a NASA data, but the central government's pollution control board data. I think the Delhi chief minister is on record saying that all those data, the Punjab farm fires have come down because of a reason. The reason here being that this time the seeds have been changed. The second is that there have been certain measures that were taken. Now, what is happening is that the biggest indictment of BJP today, 10 seconds, the biggest indictment for BJP today on pollution is its Pradhanji's thundering silence on a medical emergency, which is pan-India from Pathankot to Patna.
That I agree with you.
BJP has become the proverbial sheep in a sheep.
The silence is deafening. I agree with you, Siddharth Sharma. We'll end it here. You said 10 seconds. You said 10 seconds. We'll end it here. That point I'll agree with you. I'll agree with you that the silence of the Prime Minister and the Environment Minister on an emergency, on a medical emergency in the national capital is deafening. But when it comes to data from Punjab on Parali, I don't entirely trust the numbers coming out. Not just me, the Supreme Court doesn't trust the numbers coming out, which is why they have asked the Korean satellite, which is a stationary satellite, to give them data. We'll know the truth. The truth also is that we are in a situation where even when the AQI comes down to 420, 450, which is hazardous, we in Delhi breathe a sigh of relief. Thoda sa to kam hua. We'll leave it there for the moment. Siddharth Sharma, thank you very much for joining us. Shikha Rai, thank you. And Maninder Agarwal, thank you very much for joining us and giving us the science behind cloud seeding. Thank you very much. Ladies